Let's have an update video from Mr. Pacheco. We talked about drilling out your keel and stem here. And here's the big dowels, and I know that doesn't look pretty right now, but that big substantial piece of wood that we ran all the way through that rotted and cracked and separated apart. And what that did was tie all that together, and we have our new plank on that I did today. It had to be put in a steam chamber for about 30 minutes to get that curve and angle to it. But as you can see, half of that plug is underneath this plank and the other half is visible, and it's notched out to a plank landing point. But I wanted to show you our progress of having that done. There's some cosmetic stuff to be done here, and there's a pretty good little step down right here that I'm gonna smooth up and maybe dowel some of the original holes in the trim. And just wanted to give you an update and show you that new plank that I got on today. Like I say, it's got some cosmetic stuff, but here's where the big hole was that went all the way through, and there's where the other one was. So just some cosmetic work, getting that done, some bungs put in and sanded off here, and just wanted to show you that progress. Thank you.